So you want a tour of my house, do you? Well, here we go. When you first come in, you see this door. This is the door where you come in. Then you see this carpet. And you see this closet, which is where you put your shoes and hang your coat up. Then you see this kitchen. Yeah, we have to go grocery shopping for freezer stuff. Giving a tour of my house.
Hey, I ain't got no clothes on.
I didn't get you.
Who is that?
Nobody.
That's Joey.
No, it's not.
Yes.
There is Siri, my little sister. Pain in the butt.
Hello, Joey.
It's not Zoe.
Who's it?
Nobody. It's the camera.
It is somebody. I see somebody.
You don't see nobody.
I want to see.
Where?
Right there.
That's Siri.
Look like a man.
Emma, look.
And here's my mom
Ma, look.
getting ready to go
This
somewhere.
Look. What's this, Ma? Ma.
Here is our wonderful Christmas tree. Let me just plug it up, show you, and
Mommy, where's
take
the
it back
tree?
out.
Then cut the tree down.
No, move. Move.
Then
You still have presents under there that we're supposed to be saving. See? There's the red couch. I'll turn the light on. Turn the Christmas tree off, Siri. Turn the Christmas tree off. There's me. Here's our red couch. It's red. Like really red. My mini refrigerator right there. Well, there's me. Here's
cut that tree down.
Siri when she was baby. My sister Tia when she was on prom. Christmas stuff. Brother. Siri. Sister. Movies and stuff from A to B. A to Z, I mean. Move. Brother on prom. Just fat girlfriend. Or whatever she is. We're gonna go back here. Bathroom. Comb over here. And last but not least, my room, which is a mess. I share it with a 3-year-old. Let's go outside. Nothing really outside. TV, bed, junkie dresser. Goodbye. And there's Dad's room. He's in there. He has no clothes on, so yeah. There is a tour of my house. Hope you guys enjoy. Where's the button? That press it?